Ever smelled gas inside your car when you shouldn't? Or maybe your check engine light just popped on for no reason. You might be dealing with a bad evap canister. But don't worry, I got you. Let's break down the symptoms bad evap canister, why they happen, and what you can do to fix them. Alright, here are the top symptoms you should look out for. 1. Check engine light. Your car's computer monitors the evap system constantly. If it detects a problem, boom, that little orange light comes on. Fix it. Scan the car with an OBD2 scanner. If you see codes like P0440, P0441, or P0446, the evap canister might be the culprit. 2. Strong gas smell. If you notice a gas smell inside or around your car, it could mean the evap canister isn't trapping fuel vapors properly. Fix it. Check for cracked hoses or leaks in the evap system. If everything looks fine, the canister itself might be clogged or damaged. 3. Hard to fill up at the pump. Ever had the gas pump keep clicking off while you're trying to fill up? That's a sign of a blocked evap canister, stopping air from escaping the fuel tank. Fix it. Inspect the vent valve and canister for clogs. If they're dirty or stuck closed, that's your problem. 4. Poor engine performance. A bad evap canister can cause rough idling, stalling, or hesitation when accelerating. Fix it. Check for a stuck purge valve. Sometimes it stays open, messing up your fuel mixture. So, what causes an evap canister to fail? Here are the usual suspects. 1. Dirt and debris buildup. Over time, the charcoal inside gets clogged, reducing efficiency. Fix. If it's just dirty, you might be able to clean it, but usually, replacement is the best option. 2. Overfilling your gas tank. Do you keep topping off your gas tank? Bad idea. It can flood the canister with liquid fuel instead of just vapors. Fix. Stop overfilling. When the pump clicks off, you're done. 3. General wear and tear. Like any car part, the evap canister doesn't last forever. Fix. If it's cracked or damaged, replacement is the only option. It's not super expensive, and it's a fairly easy fix. So, if you're dealing with any of these issues, don't ignore them. A bad evap canister won't leave you stranded, but it can mess with your fuel economy and engine performance. Please leave a comment if you have ever encountered it, or maybe like and subscribe to the channel.